Short-form video content is exploding and there's no such thing as too much. If you're not creating shorts, you're missing out. Welcome to a new era of viral short videos where one click unlocks endless clips and possibilities. Generate tens of short videos, ready to go viral at the push of a button with almost zero manual work, all done by AI. Today we stand on the cusp of a new age, the age of AI. It opens a portal to possibilities previously unfathomable to humankind. So why stick with traditional methods of content creation that require tens of hours of manual editing, writing, and designing? The advent of AI calls for a reimagining of content creation with RocketClips, an all-in-one magical AI app that does AI curation, face tracking, layout, animated captions, brawls, and more for almost every platform in one click. Sounds like a magical recipe for a sure short viral content. Indeed. And wondering how easy it is? So easy that you will want to create more and more videos. Step 1. Just enter any YouTube video URL or upload file from your drive. Step 2. AI picks up part it thinks would make great shorts, tracks faces, layouts for your favorite TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Step 3. Edit video just like editing a doc, only if you want, and export. There is not excuse not to be making short-form content. So what are you getting with RocketClips today? Create viral YouTube shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and more with ease. Import videos effortlessly from YouTube, Vimeo, Google Drive, or your PC. Leverage AI video context technology for smart content creation. Generate engaging clips automatically with AI. Utilize AI-based layouts for single-face, dual-face, and letterboxed videos. Enhance your content with AI virality score and analysis. Optimize videos for social media with AI-generated hashtags and titles. Add dynamic effects like AI magic zoom and auto B-roll. Enjoy drag and drop and text-based video editing. Use an interactive timeline for flexible video editing. Automatically generate captions or add them manually. Create videos in portrait 9:16, landscape 16:9, and square 1.1 formats. Produce multiple clips from a single video. Support for 32+ languages for global reach. Detect speakers automatically for precise editing. Enhance videos with trendy animated caption templates. Access 250+ premium fonts and 100+ customization options. Edit videos by text for quick adjustments. Add video progress bars and audio waves with templates. Include background music to set the tone. Experience lightning-fast video rendering. Produce professional videos without watermarks. Retain full commercial rights to your creations. What you've seen is just the tip of the iceberg. RocketClips has 200+ more features that you can explore inside the dashboard. Our mission is to offer a platform where users can effortlessly create high-impact short videos for any marketing objective at an incredibly affordable price. With its mammoth of features at such a competitive cost, RocketClips is the ideal solution for content creators, influencers, marketers, coaches, teachers, business owners, real estate agents, and anyone looking to elevate their brand and achieve remarkable outcomes. Every video you create with RocketClips is entirely yours. Use it to impress local clients or offer your services on platforms like Fiverr, keeping 100% of the profits. Consider this. While other tools or freelancers may take hours or even days, RocketClips crafts your viral videos in mere minutes. So here's our exclusive Founders deal for you. As part of this Founders offer, you get RocketClips with an agency commercial license. This means you can create stunning videos for local businesses or clients and charge a monthly or one-time premium fee. The possibilities are limitless with this brand new AI, cloud-based app. Now is the time to switch to RocketClips, joining thousands of marketers who are already leveraging this opportunity. Scroll down and secure your access now. Your purchase is protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee, and our team is just an email away to assist you. Remember, the clock is ticking and this limited-time Founders deal will be closing in a few days. Act now and secure your RocketClips access. Buy now.